Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So the question is given to you, seventh question. Yesterday we have completed till the sixth question. And seventh question is given to you. Two concentric circles are of radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So what is meant by concentric circles?
Sir,
What is
two
meant?
sir, two circles having the same center but different radius.
Different radius. Okay. Two circles having the same center but different radius. Two concentric circles of the radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So that is nothing but you need to draw the circle. Its radius is 3 centimeters. Another circle, these two circles. These two are concentric circles with the center O. Let us assume that. Center O consider करो. Okay. Now question is given that larger circle का chord which touches the smaller circle इसको touch करते हैं. So this is AB is the chord. इसका length find out करने के लिए what you need to find out the length of this. So let us draw the perpendicular from the O to P. Let us draw the joint here, and you know that since AB is touching the smaller circle को touch कर रहे हैं, so it is tangent. AB is a tangent. So tangent is P is a point of contact. Okay. So here what you have to consider here, and given that here if you take into consider O to A join करो and O to B join करो, and you know that this OP is equals to 3 centimeters, OA is equals to 5 centimeters. I think so it is easy task for you to find out here. You need to find out AP. Okay. So here what is given here? Given two concentric circles. So radius 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Smaller circle is 3. Let AB is a chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle at P. Okay, P के पॉइंट में टच होता है. So since radius is perpendicular to tangent, so OP is perpendicular to AB, perpendicular हो जाएगा. And OP is equals to 3 centimeters, OA is equals to OB is equals to 5 centimeters. So therefore, in triangle OAP, Pythagoras theorem apply करो. AP square is equals to OA square minus OP square. So which is equals to 5 square minus 3 square, which is equals to 25 minus 9, which is equals to 16. So AP is equals to 4 centimeters. Similarly, you can say that BP is also is equals to 4 centimeters. So we need to find out the length of AB. AB is equals to AP plus BP, which is equals to 4 centimeters plus 4 centimeters, which is equals to 8 centimeters. Simple problem. It's not a very complicated one. Okay? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So it is not a complicated one. So next question, if you see that 8th question, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Circle को ऊपर quadrilateral ड्रा कर लिया है to circumscribe the circle. So prove that. So here ABCD is a circle is given to you, and figure you can observe. The figure is given 10.12 figure C. Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So now here the question is given to you. ABCD is a quadrilateral drawn to circumscribe a circle. एक circle ले लिया है उसको ऊपर ABCD draw कर लिया. So figure is also given to you 10.12. Okay. So here like this. A, B. This is A considered here P. In the figure it is given to you. You should draw to touch the C, D, and the touching points you consider here. This is P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S. The center of the circle O considered. And asking you to prove that AB plus CD. AB plus CD is equals to BC plus AB. So since from here, length of the tangents drawn from an external points are equal. That point you consider. Since length of tangents drawn from an external point are equal based on that. This is external point. Either say two tangent draw कर दिया. So you can see that AP is equals to AS. AP is equals to AS. B is external. In the same way, BP is equals to BQ. C say CQ is equals to CR. CQ is equals to CR. Okay. Next. dr is equals to ds. dr is equals to ds. Now what is asking to you to prove? AB plus CD. AB को split करो. You can write it as a AP plus BP. AP plus BP. CD को split करो. You can write CR plus DR. This is AB, AP plus BP. CD, CR plus DR. Okay, and AB is equal to AS, BP is equals to BQ, plus CR is equals to CQ, DR is equals to ES. Now if you rearrange these AS plus DS, AS and DS together, BQ and CQ together. So BQ plus CQ I am writing together, and AS plus DS I am writing together. So what is BQ plus CQ? BC. BQ plus CQ is BC. Plus AS plus DS. So therefore, what do you get here? AS plus DS is equals to, what is asking you to prove? D. So DA. So these two sum will be equals to this one. ये भी simple है, इसमें कुछ नहीं है. The main concept we are using in this is length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Okay? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Not very complicated one. Ninth problem. See, this is very important. Question is important. So, in the figure is given to you. XY and XY dash are two parallel tangents to the circle with the center O. Now, figure draw करके explain करता हूँ. First, here circle with center O is taken into consideration. This is circle with center O. Okay. So, XY and XY dash are two parallel tangents to the circle with center O and another tangent AB with a point of contact C intersecting XY and XY at A, X dash Y dash at B. So here AB, whenever first parallel tangents, let us take it to consider two parallel tangents, and here it is given to you this O is the center of the circle, and in the figure it is given to you this is P and this is Q. ये parallel tangents का point of contact है. This is X. This is Y, and here it is given X dash, Y dash. Okay. and another tangent AB intersecting the point with a point of contact C, intersecting the XY at A. ये XY को A point पे intersect कर रहे हैं. Like this, if you take it to consider, this is the point. If you want, you can extend it a bit here. This is Y, and this is A, and this is B, and with a point of contact C. And asking to you to prove that angle AOB is equals to 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees you need to prove. Okay? So in the question it is given that what are the given things? XY is parallel to X dash Y dash, parallel tangents. Okay? And O is the center. AB is also tangent with the point of contact C. So let us join this O to C. O C को join करते हैं. O to C join करना. After joining these two, here given XY is parallel to X dash Y dash line. P and Q are the point of contacts, that's you know. Okay. So now here if they are parallel tangents, consider the triangle OPA, OCA triangles. Consider them. Okay. So triangle OPA and triangle OCA. Triangle OPA, OCA triangles, consider them. And when you consider these two triangles, here OC is perpendicular, ये perpendicular है, 90 degrees, okay? So angle OPA is equals to angle OCA. The radius is perpendicular to tangent. Reason. Okay. Next, if you consider this side and this side, these two sides are length of the tangents are drawn from an external point are equal. AP is equals to AC because length of the tangents from external point, and in both you are going to have OA is equals to OA. Now here you can say by what congruency these two triangles are congruent?
RHS congruency.
Therefore, by RHS congruency, you can say that triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA. So from that, you can consider that angle POA by CPCT, angle POA is equals to angle COA. Let us consider, we are considering, I am writing here say. So it is nothing but I am considering here. So that is nothing but you can write here this as a X, this as a X. Both are equal. So similarly, you can prove that in the same way, these two triangles, POA prove कर दिए, QOB and COB, triangle QOB is congruent to triangle COB. So by CPCT, same, you can say that angle QOB is equals to angle COB. Let us consider these two angles are equals to Y. Y consider. Okay. Now here, if you consider, if these two lines are parallel lines and PQ is a diameter, as ये point mention करना है. Otherwise, suppose if you are taking these two are not parallel lines, ये दिखता है, ये diameter हो गया है. So when this is a diameter, then the angle at the center O will be equals to 180 degrees. So that point, since XY is parallel to X dash Y dash, PQ is diameter. ये diameter होगा. Therefore, angle POQ is equals to 180 degrees. वो diameter single line हो गया. Suppose you consider that if these two lines are not parallel, ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है. Suppose here point of contact, here point of contact. Then what do you get here? This is a point P, this is a point Q. ये POQ is not a straight line. So that is mandatory. That point to be taken into consider. ये दिखता है हमको we can find out that in your figure. So figure में in case if you are finding in the figure you are not supposed to consider. You should write that. So PQ is a diameter होगा because these two are parallel lines. Straight line होगा. PQ is a diameter is nothing but ये straight line होगा पूरा. ये ऐसा lines नहीं है. Suppose if these two are not parallel lines. ये दोनों parallel हैं. So how do you say sir this POQ is a straight line? Straight line. POQ is a straight line means if you see that these two lines are parallel lines, here 90 degrees, here 90 degrees, you are going to get. So वो straight line हो जाएगा if they are not parallel lines. Okay, if they are parallel lines only it is possible. So angle POQ, this angle completely 180 degrees. So you can say that x plus y is equals to 180 degrees. 2x plus 2y is equals to 180 degrees. So 2 times of x plus y is equals to 180 degrees here. So therefore x plus y is equals to 90 degrees. X I can write as a AOC, angle AOC, plus y I can write as a angle BOC. Angle BOC is equals to 90 degrees. So AOC plus BOC is nothing but x plus y. Angle AOB is equals to 90 degrees. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो ये थोड़ा सा complicated है. Complicated is nothing but not more complicated, but comparing to the previous problems, it is little bit different. Little bit different. Okay. Let us move to the next question. So next one by one, let us complete this one. 9th question is completed, and the 10th one. Prove that the angle with the two tangents. Question पढ़ के then you should be ready to draw the figure also. ये important चीज है, and most of the students are not in a position to do that. So please read the question. Anyone of you please read the question. Textbook है आपके पास?
Yes, sir.
Yes, read the question.
Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of the contact at that center.
समझ में आया? Prove करना है. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point. Okay. So external point say circle. You take the one circle. Okay. This is the center of the circle. From an external point P, two tangents are drawn. Let us consider the points A and B. The angle. It is proved that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point. ये angle ABB, and supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of the contacts at the center. Angle subtended by the line segment joining the line segments joining the point of contacts at the center. So what is mean by that? Which angles to be proved as a supplementary? Which one is to be proved as a supplementary? Can you say? If I take here O is taken. ABB. What
Yes,
is
sir.
mean angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of the contacts at the center? First thing you need to know that line segment joining the point of contacts. Yeah. This line subtended at the center means yeah. Okay. So we need to prove that angle AOB. ये दोनों supplementary ग्रुप है प्रूव करना है. It's very simple. Nothing is there in that. We know that these two supplementary 90 degrees. Therefore, these two sum will be equal to 180 degrees. Already we have proved that एक problem भी कर लिया है ना. We have solved one problem also based on this, isn't it? एक
Yes,
problem
sir.
कर दिया है ना based on this only. So it is nothing there in this to prove. Very simple here. Just ये 90 degrees, ये 90 degrees, we know that. And ये दोनों का sum 180 होगा because it is a quadrilateral. Based on this one problem also we have solved it. So next question is, 11th question is, prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Parallelogram circumscribing, ये भी हम लोग prove कर लिया है indirectly. I'm not going to explain to you this one. 11th question, it is very simple here. Circumscribing the circle, circle को एक parallelogram circumscribe करते हैं. So like this. This is a parallelogram, you can see. Yes. Now here AB, C. We already proved that the sum of these two will be equal to the sum of these two. Isn't it? In the previous problem we have proved that AB plus CD is equals to BC plus AD. And AB and CD are equal because it is parallelogram given to us. So 2 times of AB you can write. BC and AD are equal. Therefore, you can write 2 times of BC. So 2 will get cancelled. AB is equals to BC. AB equal to BC है, AB equal to CD है. AB, BC, CD, DA are equal. So parallelogram in which all the sides are equal, it is a rhombus. Same problem, we have proved it. But here the parallelogram is given to you. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
You can do it. It's not a very difficult. Okay? Now the 12th problem, see, so this is very important problem, examination point of view, and a different problems. So the question is given that a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe the circle. Circumscribe. So circumscribe is nothing but circle के ऊपर triangle draw करना. Okay. So let us, figure is also given to you. So a circle is taken into consider. So circle, the center O, and a triangle is drawn. So the triangle is here with the center O. This is A, B, C. Okay, and here it is given that the radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. So radius of the circle is nothing but here it is given to you D. OD is perpendicular to BC. You know that perpendicular hoga, and it is the length is equals to 4 centimeters. And here the question is such that the segment BD and DC, which DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are the lengths 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. So either say that the 8 centimeters and the 8 centimeters. Sorry, 8 and 6 centimeters. Yeah, 8 and 6 centimeters. Okay, so now asking to you to find out, what is asking to you to find out? Find the length of the sides AB and AC. ABC length तो हमको पता है, ABC length, sorry, question में B here, ABC. So BD is equals to 8 centimeters, DC is equals, and read the question properly. Question, suppose in case figure is not given also, you should be ready to write. Okay, what is the question given? BD, the segments BD and DC into which PC is divided. So BD first mentioned earlier. So that's length is 8 centimeters and the next length is 6 centimeters respectively. So find the length of the AB and AC. AB and AC length find out. So let us consider these points as a E and F point of contacts. And you join these two and this one. Okay? Since the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal, we can say that since length of tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So what you can say here, a CD length will be equal to CF. CD is equals to CF, which is equals to 6 centimeters. AB 6 centimeters total. So DB is equals to BE, which is equals to 8 centimeters. Both are equals to 8 centimeters. AB 8 centimeters. And in the same way, AE is equals to AF. We don't know this one. X centimeters, consider. I am considering it as a 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters. And we need to find out the X. How do we find out the X? X कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? So here, if you observe that, you can find out the area of this triangle ABC in the two ways. Area of the triangle ABC, if you try to find out in the two ways, you can find out. So what are that? If you join here O to C, O to C join करो A and A, and O to A also join. Don't get confused with this. Now if you see that OD is perpendicular to BC, so you can find out the area of triangle OBC. Okay. So what is here it is given that this is radius is 4 centimeters. A to AB 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters. So now you can say area triangle OBC is equals to half into base into height. Base is BC. Height is OD. So half into BC. BC length कितना है? 14 centimeters. Into OD length कितना है? 4 centimeters. 2, 7, 4, 28 centimeter square. This area I find OBC. In the same way, find the area of OAC, OAB. OAB area find out करो. And OAC area also find out करो. तीनों areas add करो. You are going to get the area of the triangle ABC. But the same area of the triangle ABC can be found out by using the Heron's formula, what you learned in the 9th class. Because total length is sine AB, BC, AC. Okay, so here you can consider here area of like that AP area find out triangle OAB is equals to half into AB into AB into OE. So half into AB कितना है? पूरा length 8 plus X. The X we don't know, and the OE is 4 centimeters. So we are going to get this as a 60 plus 2x centimeter square. Because area. Next. So area of triangle OAC is equals to half into AC into OF. Half into OC क्या है? 6 plus X and the OF is 4. So which is equals to 12 plus 2x centimeter square. So area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OAC. तीनों के एरिया ऐड करना है. So what do you get here, which is equals to this area is equals to 28 plus 16 plus 2x plus 12 plus 2x. So which is equals to total add करना 28 plus 12 40 40 plus 16 56 56 plus 4x centimeter square 56 plus 4x centimeter square. Okay, ये area हो गया. Now the same area can be found out using the Heron's formula. So same area can be found using Heron's formula. Same area of triangle ABC can be found using Heron's formula. So do you remember the Heron's formula? Anyone of you? What is Heron's formula?
On the root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c.
In that A is क्या है? A क्या है? What is A?
One side.
A is equals to normally BC considered. Small a will be represented with the BC. BC length कितना है? BC 14 centimeters. Small b AB से represent करता है. Sorry, AC से represent. Small b is represented AC. AC को short form में b लिखते हैं. So that is equals to 6 plus x. And small c can be written as with AB. AB का length 8 plus x. And s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. ये क्या है? 14 plus b क्या है? 6 plus x plus problem length ज़्यादा है but not complicated but 2 which is equals to 14 plus 6 20 28 plus 2x by 2. So 2 से 2 numerator में common ले लो 14 plus x by 2. So we are going to get, is it visible to you? ये दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
Okay. This is here I am taking here 2 common. So 14 plus x by 2. So which is equals to 14 plus x. S value we are getting 14 plus x. So in the same way, you find that what is s minus a. इधर लिख रहा हूँ. First s minus a क्या है? Find out. S क्या है? 14 minus 14 plus x minus a क्या है? 14. So this is equals to x. S minus b क्या है? 14 plus x minus b is 6 plus x. But don't write 6 plus x directly because brackets में लिखना है. So 6 minus x हो जाएगा. X will get cancelled and 14 minus 6 is equals to 14 minus 6 कर दो. So which is equals to 8 you are going to. S minus c is equals to 14 plus x minus 8 minus x. X will get cancelled. Here 6 you are going to. So area of triangle ABC is equals to under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So which is equals to under root of s is equals to this one 14 plus x in the brackets you write. S minus a is equals to x. S minus b is equals to 8. S minus c is equals to 6. So now this area here this area both will be equal. 1 and 2 represents area. So 1 and 2 represents 1 and 2 represents both ये भी area है ये भी area है. So these two you write as a equal. दोनों को equate कर. So what you can write here? 56 plus 4x is equals to under root of 14 plus x into 8 into 6. इसको simplify करना है. Simplification is squaring on both sides and x value find out. Squaring on both sides 56 plus 4x whole square is equals to. Here squaring on both sides will get it u as a 8 into 6. इसमें से 4 common ले सकते हैं. If if you take the 4 common, 16 बाहर आ जाएगा 4 square. Okay, if you want one more step, you can write 4 common ले लिया. So 56 से 4 common लेगा. 56 से 4 common ले लिया तो what do you get? Tables याद होना है आपको. 14 4 is 56, so 14 आ जाएगा. Plus x whole square is equals to, so ये 4 ये पूरा कॉमन ले लिया है. So 14 plus x 8 into 6. Okay, so now here what do you get here? 16 बाहर आ जाएगा. 14 plus x whole square is equals to, here also you get 14 plus x 8 into 6. So 16 से cancel कर दो. 16 directly नहीं पर 8 1 8 2 2 1 2 3. So we are going to get here 3x into 14 plus x. So 14 plus x whole square minus 3x into 14 plus x is equals to 0. Now from these two, 14 plus x common level. So what is left over here? Left side में 14 plus x minus here right side में 3x is left over is equals to 0. So we are going to get 14 plus x into 14 minus 2x. So from this you are going to get x plus 14 is equals to 0 or 2x is equals to 14. 2x is equals to 14. So now here x is equals to minus, is it visible to you? Or x is equals to 7? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So x equal to minus 14 is not possible. Negative number तो नहीं आएगा. Negative number नहीं आएगा ना. So since x is should not be negative number, so x is equals to 7 only possible. X is equals to 7 आ गया. After getting 7, then you can write here AB length, AC length and AB length find out कर सकते हैं. Can you write it? Can you write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will write here. It is visible now. A line visible होगा ना इधर?
Yes, sir.
So x 7 is nothing but, therefore AB is equals to, so as x is equals to minus 14 is not possible, you write as x is equals to minus 14 is not possible, so x is equals to 7. So therefore AB is equals to 8 plus x, which is equals to 8 plus 7, which is equals to 15 centimeters AB, and AC is equals to, AC is equals to 6 plus x, 6 plus x, 6 plus 7, 13 centimeters. Problem is lengthy, but not complicated. So once again I will explain to you. इसमें क्या करना है? What can be done here? What we need to do here normally? We have to find out the area of the triangle ABC in two different ways. By splitting this one into, first concept is length of the tangents drawn from external point are equal. ये length equal है, ये CD equal to A6, ये 6 है, ये 6 है, ये 8 है. Okay, and this is x, this is x. We have to consider. So now with the help of the area of this triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Half into base into height. Half base here, base is this one, height is this one, because it is perpendicular line. So based on that, you are going to find out the area of triangle AB. OBC is equals to half into base into height, that is 28 you are getting, and OAB area, OAC area, and 3 area I am adding here, so that area of the triangle ABC I am getting. So that is 56 plus 4x. Now same area can be found out using the Heron's formula. Heron's formula find out करने के लिए you need A, B, C values. A, B, C value. A is equals to 14 plus 14 centimeters here, and B is equals to, A is equals to this point. Please note down. And most of the students, you can take, if you take A as any one side, you will get it. A, if you take any one side, you will get it. Answer आ जाएगा आपको. But usually क्या होता है ना, small a is represented, means BC is represented as small a. Very simple. A है, except A, remaining two letters right in ABC, BC. B, AC, C, AB, C, AB, B, AC, A. So better you write like this. Sir, if I take A as a AC, will it wrong? आंसर आ जाएगा, बट एक्चुअली ट्रायंगल में साइड्स को शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए देन वी आर यू रिप्रेजेंट दैट, एंड एस इज द सेमी पेरीमीटर ऑफ द ट्रायंगल a plus b plus c by 2. समझ में आया ना? सो नेक्स्ट सिंप्लीफिकेशन ओनली देयर, नथिंग एल्स. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So this problem is important. Please try to solve this problem immediately after the class once, and evening once, and tomorrow morning once. Gap day. And after 2-3 days onwards, again you try to do it without seeing. So here some different problems whenever you come across. Such problems when you are solving on your own periodically is nothing but गैप देना है. थोड़ा गैप देके इमीडिएटली अब एक ही बार में ये 5 बार लिख दिया है, सो यूजलेस. दैट इज आपका दिमाग में याद रखेगा. सो मैथमेटिक्स इज नॉट, यू आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू गेट द मैथमेटिक्स बाय रिमेंबरिंग. ओके, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next problem? Or if you have any doubt in this, anywhere else, you can ask. No? Okay, let us move to the next question. So next question is what here? Read the next question. That is also the 13th question and last question. Prove that the opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. The question is given that prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing the circle subtend the supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Okay? So समझ में आया? Okay, मैं I will draw the figure on the board. Figure draw करके explain करता हूँ. ये ज़्यादा complicated problem नहीं है, but फिगर थोड़ा क्लमजी हो जाते हैं. So last problem, 13th one. So the question is given that prove that the opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. Opposite sides subtend supplementary angles at the center. That is nothing but if you are taking the circle into consideration, and if you draw a quadrilateral you are drawing. Let us consider the quadrilateral as a ABC, and O is the center of the circle. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is it audible and visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Audible and visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here circumscribing the circle. So this if you are considering, and what is we need to prove? A, O, B opposite sides. Question में क्या दिया? Opposite sides of the quadrilateral subtends are supplementary angles at the center. Center में क्या angle form हो रहा है? ये side center में क्या angle form कर रहा है? And ये center में क्या angle form कर रहा है? दोनों this the sum these two sums is equals to 180 degrees. Supplementary is nothing but 180 degrees now. Isn't it? Huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
now here we need to prove this angle AOB plus angle COD is equals to 180 degrees. So first let us consider the point of contact as a PQRS. PQRS consider. Okay? And here don't get confused with this. So let us draw. Here ये दोनों supplementary है. You don't consider that these two angles are vertically opposite angles नहीं है. ये vertically opposite angles नहीं होगा. So ये दिख रहा है हम लोग because ये quadrilateral है. So you may get different way. If you draw the quadrilateral in something different way, ये straight line नहीं. See to ये एक straight diagonal होगा बोल के सोचना नहीं. And most of the students will commit that mistake. ये diagonal बोल के ये diagonal है, ये दोनों equal है. Then total sum is equals to 360 degrees है. Total sum is 360. Therefore ये x है, ये y है. X plus y is equal 2 times of x plus y equal. वो ऐसा प्रूव करते हैं. That is wrong because you are not supposed to figure थोड़ा सा different draw कर लिया तो then you will come to know that. Suppose if I draw the figures to you, इसमें मैं दूसरी type of figure draw करता हूँ. थोड़ा सा लंबा खींचता हूँ. इधर से देखो ये फिगर में ट्राई करो. दिस इज P, दिस इज Q, दिस इज R, दिस इज S एंड दिस इज सेंटर O. ये दोनों को ज्वाइन करो. सॉरी ये Q हमको क्या प्रूव करना है? दिस इज सेंटर. सो दिस एंगल देखो ये स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं है ना, इधर स्ट्रेट लाइन आ रहा है, इधर भी स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं आएगा समटाइम्स. सो डायगोनल्स नहीं है इधर. AC is not at all diagonal. Do remember this point. You need to note. Okay, so now here figure में देख के हम लोग we are not supposed to consider. And what should we in this case? You join here OP, OQ, OR, OS. ये सारा एंगल्स को इधर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers there. This is already we did. So now if you take this triangle SOR, SOD, ROD. SOD and ROD are congruent by RHS congruency. Already we proved in the previous. So you can say that by RHS congruency. I'm not writing. If you want, you can write it. See here, complete structure in triangle SOD, in triangle SOD, and triangle ROD. SOD and ROD triangle में. You know that here these two are radius of the circle. SO is equals to RO because radius both are. Isn't it? Huh? Both are radius now. In any way you can prove here. And this is OD is common in both. This is common side. Okay, and perpendicular also you can take into consider, or you can take the dr is equal to ds also you can take into consider. Dr is equal to ds if you write. लेंथ ऑफ द एंगल्स ड्रॉन एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट लिखना है तो SSS कॉन्ग्रुएंसी होगा. In that case, SSA congruency, triangle SOD is congruent to triangle ROD. So from this you can say that by CPCB, you can say that angle SOD is equals to angle ROD. So angle 1 is equals to angle 8. 1 equal to 8. Similarly, here right you can write similarly 2 equal to 3. Angle 2 equal to 3. Angle 4 is equals to angle 5. Angle 6 is equals to angle 7. And sum of all the angles, angle 1 plus, angle 2 plus, angle 3 plus, angle 4 plus, angle 5 plus, angle 6 plus, angle 7 plus, angle 8 is equals to 360 degrees because and central angle. And here, what we need to prove here? We need to prove that either you can prove that 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 80 or 6 plus 5 or 1 plus 2 is equals to. So we have first considered that COD and AOD 180 true correct working source here. So 1 and 2, 6 and 5 keep it as it is. 1 and 2, 6 and 5, 6 and 5 ये दोनों को as it is रखो. ये बाकी सब चेंज करो. 3 equal to क्या है 1, 3 equal to 2 है 2 लिखो. And 4 equal to क्या है 5 and 7 equal to क्या है 6. And 8 equals to क्या है 1 is equals to 360. So 1 double that, 2 double that, 5 double that, 6 double that. So 2 times of angle 1 plus, angle 2 plus, angle 5 plus, angle 6 is equals to 360 degrees. So angle 1 plus, angle 2 plus, angle 5 plus, angle 6 is equals to 180 degrees. 1 plus 2 is angle COD and 5 plus 6 angle AOD. Is equals to 180 degrees. So this is the angle COD is the angle subtended by the side CD at O, and angle AOB is the angle subtended by the side AB at O. So AB and CD are opposite sides. So opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtends a supplementary angle at the center. Center पे supplementary angle form हो. समझ में आया ना? हाँ
Sir.
ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट
No,
नहीं है
sir.
ना. हाँ yes. So this is a circles completely. So we have learned the circles here, and if you have any doubt in the circles, then you can ask now. No doubts. Okay, thank you. Wait, don't